Hello everybody, welcome back. I am kind of branching off a little bit because I'm going to be talking about some nail stamping items that I picked up, of course, from Maniology, one of my favorite stamping brands. Actually, it's like my favorite stamping brand, if I'm being completely honest. I think about others and no, I mean, you can't beat the price and the quality of the Maniology, and they have the Mani by Me box, like one of my favorite things. So I placed kind of a big order. I'm kind of dumb sometimes. I place an order for literally one thing, and I said to myself, okay, you got to spend $40 to get free shipping. And then I realized, actually, no, I don't. Then I ended up not getting the one item that I was placing the order for. Oh my gosh, so I had to go back, and you know how it goes. So here we are. Lots of money less later, and I just basically picked up a bunch of stamping plates. I finally cleared up my desk area, and it's just, you know, when things are messy, I avoid it. When things are messy, I typically clean it up. Okay, that's usually how I am, but that includes like the kitchen, laundry, bathrooms, and stuff like that. But for whatever reason, I always put my nail desk on the back burner, and so with that, I end up doing less and less nail stuff, and so kind of counterproductive, but that's just what I find myself doing. It's like in my mind, I don't feel comfortable around mess, and so I end up avoiding it. But I went ahead and I picked up this system back here. You can't see, but I've shared it on Instagram and I've shared it in my shorts, and I'm just literally so obsessed with this spinning acrylic display. It is perfect because I didn't want holes in my walls. I've done enough of that, and then I have like a small amount of space to, you know, like facilitate only, you know, like there's only so much polish that I can own, and so I wanted my stamping polishes out on display, and so I finally picked one up. Actually, my grandmother gave me some money, and that's what I decided to pick up, and I'm like actually obsessed, and I want everybody to own one. If you don't own one, just go buy one. I actually added it to my Amazon storefront, so I'll leave that link down below and you can find it there. But enough blabbing, and today I have some stamping stuff to share with you, and I guess I'll just start off with the nail stamping polishes. So jellies are like a really big thing right now. That and reflective glitter, which I found in the dip community before I found in the indie community, which was a little bit surprising to me, but I see that more and more brands are picking up on it, and I can only hope that Noodles catches up and starts adding some reflective glitters to their polishes. But that's not what we're here for. We're here to talk about Maniology polishes. So I went ahead and I picked up the Maniology jelly stamping polishes. So this orange is Sunny Day. We have Poppy Seed, Vermilion, which is like a raspberry. This is Violet Spectrum, which honestly looks like brown. I mean, it looks like there's a tint of violet in there, but it definitely looks brown in the bottle. This green one is Garden Gnome, and then lastly we have Ocean Depths, which is the blue. These are really nice looking. I'm excited to see what I come up with. I love jellies. I hope that more brands release jellies. I know that Maniology released that a couple years ago, but I've put it in and out of my cart multiple times over the years. Finally, I was like, it's enough. That's enough. I've added it to my cart enough times. That means that I actually want it. So I went ahead and picked that up. And then for the rest of this haul, I basically just have a bunch of stamping plates. This does not include any Mani by Me boxes that I picked up, but I did pick up 2 Mani by Me previous releases because I wasn't a subscriber at the time. So I went ahead and added these. This is the first one that I picked up. I picked it up specifically because of the dinosaurs. We are a dinosaur household, so I just need to get this. I also need to get the other one from this set, so if anybody's willing to sell theirs, hit me up. I would love to consider buying it if somebody hasn't already sold it to me already. The other one that I got is the Maniology M002. This was a part of like their dream box. That was a while ago, which I think I ended up subscribing to the box probably like 8 months later or something. So I finally picked up the Teenage Dream stamping polishes. Originally these were in a bow shaped stamping plate that was pink. Not really my thing. I actually, honestly, I kind of avoided them because of that, but I finally took the plunge and picked them up. I just have been seeing some nail art that, you know, has some of these like more animated kind of, I don't know, like emojis on them, and I really like it. So I picked this one up. Well, I picked them all up, obviously. I just said that, but I decided to go ahead and pick them up because I think you could accomplish those looks with some nail stamping, and obviously you can because Maniology knew what they were doing so many years ago. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, these are just really cute. I'm sure other people in my household will appreciate them too. I think they would be good for Halloween. I look at the aliens and I just think like glow in the dark glow in the dark. Is there such thing as glow in the dark stamping polish? If there is, tell me and tell me where I can find them. That would be so much fun. That would be so much fun. With this plate overall, like this whole entire plate would be perfect for doing some glow in the dark nail stamping. How fun would that be? Oh my gosh. I'm so glad I filmed this video because sometimes I just start talking and I come up with really good ideas. Except it probably wasn't my idea because somebody probably already did it already. This is the other one I picked up. This is, I think, called like vacation mode. I'm not too sure, but I have been eyeing it and I just think it's really cute, and I think you can come up with some really cute looks with it. Definitely going to be like a cutesier mini, but I appreciate those every now and then, you know. Picked up the porcelain plate. I saw this in an email and I was like immediately thinking of like the old dishware that I have with that cobalt blue white, you know, has a white base but the design is in cobalt blue. So you'll definitely be seeing a look like that from me in the future because it just, I don't know, I think it's just so cute and classy. I am a garden girl. I don't talk about that too much, but I love gardening. In fact, I think I have some garlic growing in my garden right now, which excites me. It's just sprouting up. My husband pointed out, I was like, what? And then I'm looking at it and I'm like, oh my gosh, you are actually right. There's like garlic growing in my garden. So of course I could not pass up the garden plate. This is so cute. I am really excited about this. I don't know what shades I'll use, but definitely cute. And if you're not into like gardening, there's still like houseplant images on here. You can see them. There's like a couple of them, but I mean, love grows here. I mean, these are all things that you can use even if you're just a houseplant kind of person. And then I decided to go for some of their more simple plates. I don't know how to explain them. You'll know what I mean when you see them. Here's this one. I have really just been appreciating more of the simpler looks too. Not something that I could have seen myself going towards, I don't know, maybe 3+ years ago, but definitely nowadays. I love just a simple kind of look. And the same goes for this one. I do have a plate from them that is similar to this where it's kind of like the lines, like thin line designs, but for me, honestly, at this point, it just never gets old. And then finally, I picked up this plate. This is their Make Waves plate, I think. I've been seeing a lot of people, I mean, for years where they do like, you know, like this kind of design, but 3 different colors on their nails, and I've wanted to do that too, but I cannot keep my brushes nice to save my life. I think I actually need to switch to acrylic to do something like that because I was just using nail polish and it gets all funky and messed up from the acetone and stuff, so maybe I just need to change my approach to that. But I am super excited about everything that I picked up. Going through it right now, it is a little intimidating because that's a lot of stuff, but it's all stuff that, you know, I know that I'm going to appreciate in time. So that is it. If you guys want to support me, you can use my code Jodi10 at Maniology to save 10%. It saves you 10% and I get a little something back. So it's a win-win situation. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next one. Bye!